In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a branded PowerPoint presentation with Copilot. We'll walk through starting from your company's template, opening Copilot, choosing the right creation option, writing a strong prompt, and letting Copilot generate a polished deck that matches your brand automatically. By the end, you'll have a ready-to-present file that looks consistent and professional. First, open your company's standard template. Launch PowerPoint and open the .pox file your organization provides. A .pox is a template file, not a regular presentation, and it guarantees that the correct layouts, fonts, colors, and placeholders load right from the start. If you're not sure where it lives, it's often in a shared brand folder or pinned in PowerPoint's templates. When it opens, you should see your branded theme in the design area and any custom slide layouts in the layout selector. Next, access Copilot. Look for the Copilot icon in the PowerPoint toolbar. If you don't see it there, go to the New tab and choose Create with Copilot. This opens the Copilot panel on the right. Give it a second to initialize so it can recognize the file you have open. In the Copilot panel, choose to create a new presentation and make sure your organization's template is active. You'll know it's active if the default slide shows your brand's fonts and color accents. If the slides look generic, confirm you opened the .pox and not a blank presentation. Keeping the correct template active here ensures everything Copilot produces will inherit your approved styling. Now, add your topic with a clear, detailed prompt. For example, type, "Create a presentation about the benefits of AI in marketing." To get the best results, be specific. Mention your audience, the tone, the number of slides, and any must-cover sections. You can say something like, aim for 10 slides, executive audience, include an overview, key benefits, case studies, risks, and a conclusion with next steps. The more context you provide, the more on target your slides will be. Finally, generate the presentation. Copilot will draft an outline first, giving you a chance to review the structure. If something's missing, ask it to adjust before it builds the slides. Then let it create the full deck. You'll see your themes, fonts, colors, and logos applied automatically to titles, body text, and graphics, keeping everything on brand. If needed, refine the result by asking Copilot to add detail, rephrase content, or adjust slide emphasis, and it will update the deck while preserving your template. And that's it, your branded presentation created quickly and consistently with Copilot.